School districts get revenue from two main sources: local property taxes and the state, as well as a very small portion of federal dollars. So let's take a moment to dive into the district's tax rate. As revenues come into the school district, funds are split between two sides of the tax rate: M&O, or maintenance and operations, and the INS, or interest and sinking. It's important to note that the money generated on each side can only be used for specific types of expenses. M&O funds are primarily used for operating the district. Employee salaries and benefits, educational resources, classroom supplies and equipment, and contracted services like utilities and insurance are paid from this funding source. This is also known as the district's general operating fund and is used for day-to-day expenses. INS funds can only be used to pay off bonds sold for construction and capital improvements to facilities. Bonds are also issued to buy furniture, equipment, and to purchase land. These are your long-term expenses paid for over a number of years. INS funds are used to pay off these bonds and cannot be used for operational costs, such as salaries and supplies. The district's M&O tax rate is currently 0.9617, and the INS tax rate is 0.39, for a total tax rate of $1.35 per $100 of property value. Katy ISD has a long history of fiscal responsibility and transparency, and has reduced the tax rate by 16.5 cents since the 2018-19 school year.